Today we're gonna be trying something simple, something anyone can do at home. Yeah, it's very easy, it's very simple. Yeah, we're just doing baking soda and vinegar mixed together, and let's see what that looks like. Yeah, let's get right into it. But first I gotta go outside. I want to do it outside because I don't want to clean the inside because that would suck. Okay, what the? Okay, so before we do the experiment, I have to grab this. Is hurting so bad. What the? So before we do the experiment, we have to have safety. Of course, is our number one priority. So so first we have some glasses, and then you know, I have my bathrobe just in case I get splashed. So yeah, so this we got some vinegar. It's almost empty, so I don't know, that's the liquid. And we have some baking soda. Baking soda, easy. We got I don't know, we got a plank just to put all the ingredients in, and yeah, so let's get into it. So this is where we're gonna put our ingredients. So yeah, let's put down some baking soda. This looks like some cocaine. So now let's create like a, okay, yo, this already smells so bad. So I made like a small hole right here to place the vinegar. So right now we're gonna put in the vinegar, and then let's see what happens. Okay, hold up, I want to give you guys better. Oh, look at that, zoom in. Ready? Let's see what happens. Yo, I'm pretty sure we need more vinegar. So basically, what is happening when you put in the vinegar with, if you mix the vinegar and baking soda together, it creates a chemical reaction which turns the vinegar and baking soda into carbon dioxide. So when they get mixed together, they make carbon dioxide. So yeah, so carbon dioxide is basically a gas. So yeah, that's pretty sick, you know. That's some pretty sick